AI tools are getting more powerful, but most come with expensive subscriptions, cloud dependence, and confusing setups that waste time and money. Just download Pinokio, browse the catalog, click install, and you're supposedly generating AI art in minutes. That's the promise, and here's why people are paying attention. Pinokio is completely free and open source. Not free with limits, actually free. Everything runs locally on your computer, so your data never leaves your machine. No cloud servers, no API fees, no subscriptions. If you've ever burned through $50 on Midjourney in a single week, that alone sounds appealing. The developer, known as Cocktail Peanut, built Pinokio out of frustration because spending 6 hours fighting PyTorch installs instead of actually using AI tools gets old fast. Installation itself is simple. Download, run, done. Compared to manual Python setups, it's a huge improvement. Now, reality check. You need serious hardware. Most tools require an NVIDIA GPU with at least 8 to 12 gigabytes of VRAM. Some technically run on 4 gigabytes, but performance drops hard. Integrated graphics? Forget it. Storage is another issue. These models are massive, planned for at least 30 to 40 gigabytes, with some video models alone hitting 20 gigabytes. App quality is mixed. Verified scripts on the Discover page are tested and usually work well. Community scripts are hit or miss. Some run flawlessly, others fail mid-download with no resume option, which is painful when you're pulling 20 gigabyte files. Performance also varies wildly. Music generation might take minutes, while video or animation jobs can run for hours or even days, depending on your GPU. The learning curve still exists. It's easier than raw installs, but beginners report confusion. The interface isn't as polished as commercial tools, and troubleshooting often means digging through Discord or GitHub. That said, when it works, it really works. Users are running Stable Diffusion, audio tools, voice cloning, and local language models successfully. One AI club went from hours of debugging to being productive in minutes. Verdict: Pinokio is legitimately impressive. If you've got the hardware, storage, and patience for occasional hiccups, it unlocks AI tools that normally cost hundreds in subscriptions, completely free and private. You're trading monthly fees for hardware requirements. If your computer can handle it, absolutely explore this. If not, cloud-based AI is still the safer choice. If you've got questions about local AI, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.